Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at 5 Snakes puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Perplexers Puzzles. It has difficulty level 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all 5 snakes into the frame. The frame of this puzzle is made of wood and 5 snakes are made of acrylic. As you can see, all 5 snakes are completely different. These 2 snakes are a little bit similar, but as you can see, the shape is still different. But these 3 are completely different. And when you put these 3 snakes inside the frame, you will see that there is not enough space for these 2 snakes, and it looks completely impossible to solve. This is the 3rd edition of this puzzle. First 2 editions had unintended solutions, and puzzle designer made a little bit different shape of the snakes. If you take a close look at this one, now it has like steeper angles here in the tail, but before they were like more wavy style, and that makes this puzzle even more challenging to solve, since now there is no unintended solutions. There is only one solution, which will be extremely difficult to find. If you like the 5 Snakes puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.